Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the 6 main arithmetic operators in programming. These are the basic math tools we use every day to make our code do calculations. They work just like math class, but with a few simple symbols. I'm using Python to show you how this works. I've set two simple variables, a is 10 and b is 3. So first, addition. Uses the familiar plus sign. 10 plus 3 gives us 13. Next is subtraction. Uses the minus sign. 10 minus 3 gives us 7. So for multiplication, we use the arteries. 10 times 3 is 30. So standard division uses the forward slash. 10 over 3 gives us a floating point number 3.333. This is called modulus. Uses the percent sign. It doesn't give the answer, it gives the remainder after division. 10 divided by 3 is 3 with a remainder of 1. So 10% remainder 3 is 1. Finally, exponentiation uses two arteries. This means raised to the power of 10 over 10 asterisk 3 means 10 over 3 or 10 times 10 times 10, which is equal to 1000. That's it. Mastering these 6 arithmetic operators, plus, minus, multiply, divide, modulus for remainder, and double asterisk for power, is key to writing any code that needs to calculate. Try running this simple script yourself. Happy coding. Coding. Inang yan.